So today we are in the world, we can say that something in technologically we are competing with NASA also. You know very well that NASA is what very recognized in the spacecraft, and so whereas and now the man behind the innovation day is what in the remember of birth anniversary of this man of missile APJ Abdul Kalam, who made that for our India a great contribution. Not only ISRO, and you can remember that now today many of our serums are to present different concept on the innovative concept on the electrical vehicles. So because he made his tremendous work on the electrical vehicles, and he made so many patents, and he has written a published a paper, book also, and not only book, and also he made so many journals, journal papers in the trade journals. So with this contribution, just we'll have some 15 to 10 minutes, 20 minutes is lecture. Then afterwards we'll go for our regular. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now I request that Sri sir to carry over the.
Okay, good morning all. So today we are celebrating the event of National Innovation Day. Let's try to do some recalling what is meant by innovation. I think you have the similar brain how I am also working on this innovation. That's why we came to this platform to demonstrate your innovation. So I think many of my students, some of my students like Nikhil, many knows here. So who I am? So I am an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering. Profile, I am a certified chartered electrical engineer and an certified solar chartered engineer. I did a lot of projects in Nellore district as well as in Andhra Pradesh also. And currently I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering, and I am awardee of for Teacher Research Fellowship, which is a topmost research fellowship award from the central government. So I was working in this topmost research lab for a period of 5 years. So I have a little bit knowledge in the domain where I have done my research as well as my PhD. Okay. So now I would like to give you an. So if you want to follow the contents, how the innovatively I think, and what is my ideology in the domain of electrical engineering and in the domain of electric vehicle, you can follow my channel. So I will show you the playlist also. I have multiple playlists, how innovatively I cracked electrical engineering and how I simplified the concept of electric vehicles. Okay, so I had published some 2-3 patents on this EV charging and charging of an electric vehicle using solar PV system, and I have a patent on this BLDC motor. I will demonstrate few concepts. So hope I don't kill your time. Just I will take only 15 minutes and I will make you to get engaged. Okay, so now I am not going complete domain of engineering. Just I will address what is this innovation in the domain of electrical vehicles. Okay, so just see here. So what the concept is,